Hi guys, so I just had to come on and give you guys a question around laser hair removal because I'm just in with training in Havana Skin Clinic at the minute. We're training in the IFSC. I know I was on there last week answering a few questions that came up during the training. So another good question came up today that I thought you guys might want to find out about. A lot of people ask about this in treatment. A lot of clients coming into the clinic would ask how far, what was the question?
How far can you go in on the lip area in the bikini?
For laser hair removal. So the
Yeah.
question is, how far on the lip area of the Brazilian or the Hollywoods can you treat with laser hair removal? And it's a really good question because a lot of people would get hair on the inside of the lips, but it's really important to know as a client or as a specialist performing laser hair removal treatments, if you've not already been told, that this area is untreatable. If anyone's offering to treat this area for you as a client, sorry, just a call interrupted me there. As much as you probably want to get that area treated, it is a sensitive area. The skin is red, it's shiny, it's concealed area. It's not usually exposed to the environment and it will not tolerate the heat. So what can happen is you could get an immediate blister on the area, which is something that you certainly don't want to have, especially in that area because it's already sensitive. And if a blister gets infected, you could be looking at a long-term irritation on the skin, which is something that you definitely want to avoid. So what we can treat, how far we can treat on the bikini, you can pretty much treat the entire bikini, which would be the Brazilian or the Hollywood. Some people with a Brazilian will choose to have the lips, some people will choose not to have the lips. Sometimes it's just a little landing strip on the top of the bikini which is left untreated. But Brazilians comes in many different shapes and sizes. It just depends really on the individual preference. I've actually done a video going through all the bikinis, which I'll probably leave in the description below this video. I'll give you guys a link if you want to go over and just learn a little bit more about that. But what we can treat is we can pretty much go right up to the edge of the lips before it goes to the inside of the lips. So you're going to be removing all the hair that's visible from the outside of the skin. If you were to peel back the lips, any hair that is in there, which some people do get but not much, it's untreatable. So unfortunately you're going to have to keep on top of that area by just trimming or shaving because it can't be waxed and it can't be lasered. So thanks for watching guys. If you have any more questions, I hope this has helped you get a little bit closer, a little bit more clarity on what can be treated. Also a Brazilian and a Hollywood treats around the back of the bikini, so you can go right up the tongue line if that's what you desire. Some people will and some people won't. Again, it's really just down to preference on what you would usually either shave or have waxed. If anybody is looking for more information, maybe you might be a specialist who performs treatments, I'll leave another link below this video for laser hair removal training modules that I've done that you can access online. There's 5 modules there, but we can get you started on them today for free. So I'll leave that link below also, and if you have any questions around laser hair removal, I'm always looking for you guys to educate as well on anything that you want to know. So send the messages in, just leave them in the comments below and I'll definitely come on and give you the answers to them. So thanks for watching, and as always, feel beautiful, be happy, confidence is key.